How to delete WhatsApp chat history from both sides. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete WhatsApp chat history from both sides. Firstly, open up your WhatsApp on your phone. Next, select the specific chat you want to delete and then tap on it. This will open a drop-down menu. Now here, tap on the delete option. Next, tap on the delete icon and then on delete for me. To view the message history, long press on the message. Then select the info option and this will display the message history. After that, open up your settings. Scroll a bit and then tap on General. Now here, tap on Date and Time and here, turn off Set Automatically and set the date and time to match when you send the message. Once you're done with this, simply open your WhatsApp. Here, again, long press on the message. After that, select the delete option. Once done, then tap on the delete for me option. After that, again go to your WhatsApp chat and long press on the message. Now, it shows delete for everyone, so just tap on it. So here, as you can see, your message has been deleted for everyone. So this is how you can delete WhatsApp chat history from both sides. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.